Welcome to my channel. Let's begin. Today I am going to share some home-based business ideas with you. I hope this video will be valuable and helpful for you. Make DIY flavor lip balm and sell. Make silk scrunchie and sell. Make customized phone covers and sell. Make stickers and sell. Make customized tote bags and sell. Make resin art keychains and sell. Sell your art, work and paintings. Start YouTube channel. Make cute jewelry accessories and sell. Start your candle business. Make greeting cards and sell. Start online teaching. Sell customized t-shirts. Make and sell your craft. Start soap making and sell. Start your cake shop. Sell bookmarks. Make Barbie doll dresses and sell. Pack customized gifts and sell. I hope that this video was helpful for you.